Bend the left knee and lower the shin to the floor. Bring that left heel as close as you can towards the pubic bone. I use physically my hands to rotate and slide my right heel in front of the left ankle, and I'm in Sukhasana. So I'm going to use my hands once again on my knees. I'm going to lift the abdomen, lift the chest, and aim to bring the forehead to the floor. Humility pose. Lift the abdomen, lift the chest, lean forward 45 degrees. Chin towards me, chest towards me. Hold here. Now lower the palms onto the knees and gently lean a little bit further. Well done. Keep looking towards me. Keep looking towards me. Everyone look towards me. I should be able to see you. I should see your eyes. Now very gently find something on the floor about a meter away. Focus on that. Keep focusing on that and exhale. Focus on that spot again. Exhale. Focus on that spot again. Exhale. Focus. Exhale. Move that spot a little bit closer. Let the chin touch the floor. Then the tip of the nose. And then the forehead. Breathe. Exhale. Suck the belly in. Stop and take a breath. Now surrender. Take the arms to the front and just release. The pose of humility. Surrender yourself to the earth. Take the arms to the side, shoulder height. Take the arms behind you, interlace the fingers, and gently lift the arms so the arms are in line with the shoulders. The ultimate surrender.